In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI to create logos. We'll move step by step so you can follow along and generate clean, professional concepts quickly, even if you're new to AI design. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Meta AI. This brings up Meta's official AI tool, which can create images from text prompts, including logos. Click the official Meta AI result to open the site. Once you're there, you'll see a place to enter your prompt. Clear, descriptive prompts are the key to great results, so I'll show you exactly what to write. For a luxury premium look, use a prompt like this, and make sure to customize the brand name. Design a luxury logo for AI Mastery with a gold and black palette. Use elegant serif typography and incorporate a premium monogram. High-end, glossy, vector style, no background. Notice how the prompt covers color palette, typography style, a specific design element, the monogram, and rendering details like glossy and vector style. Adding no background helps the model avoid busy scenes and keeps the focus on the mark. You can swap in your own brand name, colors, or style words like minimal, geometric, or ornate to match your vision. Once your prompt is ready, click Submit. Give it a moment to generate. Processing times vary, so be patient and let it complete. When the results appear, look for crisp shapes, legible lettering, and strong contrast. If the mark is close but not perfect, keep a mental note of what to adjust. Maybe you want less shine, a different serif weight, or a simpler monogram. Next, let's try a circular badge style for a classic, emblem-like feel. Enter a prompt such as, create a circular badge-style logo for AI Mastery. Add text around the rim and a central AI emblem. Use bold lines, vintage style, clean vector art, no background. This prompt tells the model the overall shape, where text should go, and the visual tone, bold, vintage, vector. If you need a modern vibe instead, swap vintage for modern or minimalist. If you want the emblem to hint at your field, specify a symbol, like a circuit, brain, or lettermark. Click Submit again to generate the badge version. Compare what you get with your goals: clarity at small sizes, balanced spacing, and a strong silhouette. If something's off, tweak a few adjectives, clarify the central symbol or typography, and resubmit. Small prompt adjustments often make a big difference. With this workflow, search, open Meta AI, write a focused prompt, submit, review, and refine. You'll quickly build a set of logo directions ready for further refinement in your favorite design tool.